It's Ann Feldman from the TT for T team, and today I'm going to share with you how to create a screencast using Explain Everything. The example I'm going to share is how to create a spelling test that students could listen to and take independently. But this will work for anything that you would like to create a screencast upon. So, to get started, go into Explain Everything. Now, I love this app because So to get started, open up your Explain Everything app, which is where I'm at, and then across the top you have three choices. I'm going to choose the plus to create a new project. And I'm going to just pick the first one, the white background, because it's the simplest. So to start with, I'm going to pick the pen feature, and you can choose the thickness of your pen right here. And at the bottom, you have wells of color. So you can choose a color that you would like. So any color that you'd wish. And then simply write something on the slide like spelling test. Or you can also type on this slide, whatever it happens to be, but you just need something on this first slide, and then you'll start recording. So notice down here at the bottom, this little red button down here, that is the red record button, and that will record your voice and anything you draw or write from this point on too. So all we need actually is just that red record button, and then just record your words. Number 1, hot. The sun is hot. Hot. Number 2, should. We should wear shorts when it's hot. Should. And so on. And you continue through your entire spelling test until you're finished. Now the advantage your students have is they have the pause button. So on the other side, they can hit pause, write the word, and then listen again and write the next word. Notice over in the bottom right corner, there is a square with the little share arrow. Go ahead and touch the share button, and now you'll see all the wonderful ways you can share your project. It has everything you could ever want. So whatever your district happens to be using. Our district is using Schoology, so I'm going to just zip it right over to Schoology by clicking on Open In, where you find a whole bunch of other places you can share this file to. So I'm going to name it Spelling Test, and you would name it whatever section of the spelling test it would happen to be. Then you're going to notice that it's going to compress your recording and then create it as an MP4 video file. That's really powerful because once it's a video file, again, you can put it anywhere. On a blog, on a website, you can email it, you can put it into your learning management systems, whichever way you'd like to share that with your students. Once your video is compressed, then you can select which app you'd also like to send it to. So I am sending that right into Schoology, and then in Schoology, it asks where do I want to send it to. I'll send it to my resources. Now, once I select resources, if you're using Schoology, it will let you put it anywhere that you'd like to share those resources. So if you're collaborating at the grade level, you can send it there, district level, or into your home. So I'm just going to choose my home, and I will upload it here. If I had a special folder called Spelling Tests, I would just put it into the Spelling Test folder. And then it's just one click away of being available for your students. So that is all there is to creating a screencast using Explain Everything. Simple and easy. So just to recap one last time, you start in Explain Everything and touch the plus to begin. I like the blank template and get rolling there. Then you need to do nothing else except for begin to write whatever it is that you're working on. So we said spelling test, and away you go. Then at the bottom of the screen, click on the red record button to start recording. Click the red record button again to stop recording. When you're all finished, come over here and export that file. So you'll just click on that, and then there you go. You can export it in any format that you'd like. Again, I chose Open In, and sent it off to another app. And that's where it asks me to name it and send it right over to that app. So again, compression time varies depending on that length of that video. And then select the app of your choice, which for me was Schoology. And now all done. It's ready to go. And not only that, but if I created that for that spelling test, that would be great for everybody in my grade level. So again, if you had a group with your people in it, you could just shoot that to everyone and kind of divide and conquer, share that workload with other people. Have a wonderful time using Screencast in your classroom. Thanks for watching T for Tea.